here we are in the garage again. It's probably time I start working on something I really don't want to do, which is all more evidence is that's probably what I should do. We're going to work on soldering in the end that goes to Megasquirt from the harness, and also terminating or extending the ends that go to the relay box as well. So let's get all this moved inside where I can sit comfortably in warmer weather. We did have some good weather, but now today it's back down to the 20s. So let's do this work inside. So here we are back in the basement. I kind of have this roughly laid out where essentially the hole that is going to come through the firewall, if this is the firewall, is like around here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this to the table here, and there's lots of wires that are actually short, so I will see if I can find color matches, if not find something close, and then extend them up. But then I know that I need to come comfortably up and around into here or into there for my set lengths. So enjoy the time lapse.
much as I really don't want to admit it, that is all I have time for. I feel like I haven't gotten anything done. I feel like there's still miles to go, but at least I made it out here and I got something done. Right now I don't feel like I'm gonna be motivated to work on this more, but I know I will make it back out here. So that's just being real, and that's where I'm at right now. I have soldered exactly nothing, but I have my TPS, and my intake air temperature sensor wired to the relay board. That's just how it happened to work. I just was working on one connector at a time, and those are what I started out with, and that's what happens to go there. It's mostly going to be the injectors and the coils that go to, well, we have to solder. And yeah, still a lot of work to do. That's okay. One step at a time. Little steps forward. So, as always, keep jamming.